What are the features of the MQ-9B Predator drone? This drone can stay airborne for more than 40 hours with the help of satellites in all weather conditions. According to the manufacturer company General Atomics website, this drone can provide real-time information on any activity taking place in the maritime area, whether it is day or night. The drone is equipped with an inbuilt wide area maritime radar, an automatic identification system, electronic support measures, and a self contained anti submarine warfare kit. It can carry up 2,721 kilograms of missiles, flying at an altitude of over 40,000 feet. This drone remains inconspicuous to the enemy's sight. It can be armed with two laser-guided AGM-114 Hellfire missile. It requires two people to operate it.